Our top news this week: Sony has released the firmware roadmap for the new Burano cinema camera. Due to ship in Q1 next year, the current roadmap reveals a firmware version 1.1, which will give the Burano multi-camera capabilities with S700 PoE support, in addition to a 1.5 times anamorphic D-squeeze function sometime in August-September next year. Other planned upgrades for now include a 4x3 imager scan mode for anamorphic capture, 1.8 times D-squeeze, and a clean HDMI output for monitoring. You can keep an eye out on this evolving roadmap via the link below, and we would also like to thank all of you who came down to Pinewood Studios last week and got to play with the Burano during our hands-on event. And we're looking forward to hosting more of these in the future once the camera ships. Adobe has released their October 2023 update for Premiere Pro dubbed version 24, boasting some impressive speed improvements when it comes to timeline performance, as well as new text-based editing features, which enable you to delete all poses with a single click. The new Video Effects Manager makes it easy to manage all your third-party plugins in one place, while the new Audio Auto Tag feature automatically tags audio files as dialogue, music, SFX, and ambience. In addition, the simplified color settings make it easier for you to make your footage shine without extra hassle. The latest update also comes with support for HEVC and H.264 hardware acceleration on Intel discrete graphics cards. Shure has introduced a new version of their iconic SM7 dynamic microphone. Designed for professional podcasters, video streamers, and broadcasters, the new SM7dB inherits the same benchmark broadcast radio quality rich sound we're all familiar with, but now also adds a built-in preamp, making it more user-friendly for the modern content creation workflow. The integrated preamp gives users a choice of plus 18 or plus 28 dB of clean gain, eliminating the need for a separate preamp while still preserving signal integrity. And that's all we have for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.